What happens when an entire economy runs on targets, not reality? Behind the smoke and steel of the Soviet factories, cracks were already forming.
Not from foreign enemies, but from the system itself.
The Soviet economy was built on fixed prices, not supply and demand. When the state decided the price of bread, shoes, or steel, it wasn't responding to the market. It was imposing numbers from above. Farmers and factories had no incentive to match real needs. Prices stopped being signals and became decorations on paper. Factories were judged by quotas, how much they produced, not whether anyone needed it. So they chased numbers. Steel plants churned out unusable shapes. Shoe factories made millions of identical boots, all the same size. Meeting the quota mattered more than serving reality. This was a system designed to impress reports, not people. Layers of bureaucracy sat between production and reality. Reports flowed up the hierarchy, but real feedback never came back down. Mistakes were buried, not corrected. Managers lied to avoid punishment. Late at night, reports were quietly rewritten, facts massaged into the right shape. And in the meeting rooms, everyone nodded. Everyone smiled. Everyone pretended the system was working. Because the system punished anyone who said otherwise. From above, the Soviet system looked vast, organized, unstoppable. Reports showed growth. Charts soared upward. But beneath the surface, reality was warped. Production served numbers, not people. Feedback was buried. And slowly, the machine began to devour itself. This wasn't collapse from outside. It was erosion from within. Next time, we'll see what happens when this machine meets real-world scarcity.